friends, if you are buying a new car or if you are an investor in auto stocks, you need to read the wind the way it's blowing. Well, in an earlier video, we had found dissonance. We had not agreed with the auto industry statement. Well, the Confederation of Auto Manufacturers and such industry bodies had said कि अगले 5 साल तक भी India's share of EVs will be in the single digits. Well, we had disagreed and we had said no, things change very fast. Indians are very savvy. See the two-wheeler EV industry, it has grown by leaps and bounds and close to almost 30% of market share there. So why will cars be far behind? Especially भारतीयों के लिए गाड़ी एक एसेट है और अगर आइस कंबशन कार्स का मार्केट वैल्यू रीसेल वैल्यू गिरते जाने वाला है, गडकरी जी इज ऑलवेज making noises, Delhi High Court is always making noises against these. So who will invest in an asset which may not after 5-10 years pay back even half or 1/3 of the money which you spent on it? Well, that being the case, we were of the view that you should value car companies with a high EV component better than ICE combustion ones, and today Maharashtra has shown the way. Maharashtra has established itself as India's clear leader in electric car adoption. 17% of 2025's car purchases in Maharashtra are now EVs. 30,500 units sold. Karnataka followed behind with 10,000 units and many other states followed with close to just below 10,000 units. But Maharashtra's more than 30,000 units doubled the volumes of Morpea. There were good incentives, there were subsidies, there were also toll free. Also charging stations were subsidized. And Maharashtra also, by this way, it positioned Maharashtra state as a frontline leadership in EV industry development. This was a masterclass by Devendra ji, and that has, well, we all know, save money on the Mumbai-Pune Expressway, on Samruddhi, on Atal Setu. Well, toll bachana Indians बखूबी जानते हैं और करते हैं. That being the case, Maharashtra took leadership. It positioned itself also well to be the leader in this upcoming industry, but it also showed the way that when we buy auto stocks, when we sell auto stocks, we should keep a track of which company is at the forefront. Well, of course, that means people like Tata Motors, JSW, who have sold wonderfully their Nexon EV Punch and also the Windsor. Well, that being the case, yours truly's estimate of future EV sales year after year up to 5 years will most probably come right, not the industry body's estimation.